Hello there, Zachary, and whoever else decides to watch this video. It's been about 4 months since I moved into my new trailer. So this video of the trailer and my new pickup will have quite a bit more stuff in it than the other one did, just because I've been living in this now for 4 months and have completely moved into it. So you can see the pickup is full of stuff, not nearly as full as my van used to be. And then we've got the Stealth toy hauler with the Starlink dish out front. And as I walk around it to the other side, you can see what's called the pull-out. That's where the top side of the bed is. And this whole part of the trailer pulls out and then pushes back in so that it's flat with the rest of the trailer. You can see in the back where the garage is, the whole back end of the trailer lays down and is held by cables so that it makes a nice porch. And then I've got a bit of an awning over the top of it to keep me out of the sun. And then most of the stuff that you see out here, the bikes and tables and chairs, all ride back in the back of the trailer in the garage area. It's called a toy hauler, but I'm just using it for storage as opposed to toys like dirt bikes and motorcycles and things like that, because that's what I need it for. And this is the kitchen with the refrigerator and microwave and stove and sink. And then I've put additional storage all around the... So as I move toward the back, toward the garage, you can see the deck that the door lays down to form. And you can see my yellow Home Depot boxes that have all my stuff in them. And if I didn't have all of the storage needs, I could use the bed and 2 sofas that are pulled up against the ceiling right here. But I'll never use that because all I have is things stored. As we look toward the front of the trailer, we'll walk into the bedroom. And you can see here where the pull-out is. When I'm on the road, I fold the bed in half, and then the bed pulls in, and it's flush with the wall. And then, of course, the bathroom, even though it seems small, it's a lot bigger than the bathroom was I had in the other trailer. So, that's about it. It gives you a 4-month update on the new trailer and pickup pieces of the rolling house.